Good morning, folks. My name is Michael Mara. I'm coming to you from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today I'd like to take you through our 2020 255 center console made by Scout. So this model, this boat just came in a few days ago. It's our shark gray color with the Grigio interior. This boat is powered by twin Yamaha 4-stroke outboards. Let's take a step on the boat. We're going to go off to the bow. As you can see, as we're walking in, it's a starboard side entry. But if you look at the distance from the console to the gunnel, you can walk without sidestepping. So up front here, you have some wraparound seating. Then you have a table here for when you want to have lunch, cocktails, or a cocktail party. You have forward seating right here with another cooler actually underneath here. Then if you come around, we're going to open this up here, but look at the head for a 25-foot boat. It's nicely finished down there. Pump out and a lot of room. Alright, so coming back here behind the helm, alright, we have this boat comes equipped with a Garmin touchscreen system. You have a little storage compartment here with a USB port and a 12 volt. Your switch panels are sitting right here, easy and accessible when you're using them. Lenco trim tab indicator switch, push button start, and your ignition. It's very simple, but very, very nice, and aesthetically it's great. So you have cup holders here, and then your digital throttle system. Let's take a look at the helm seat. So you have these collapsible captain's armrests, and then we're bolstered. Both sides go up and down. Okay? And then when you're up on the bolster and you're driving, you have a foot pad up here, so you can sit up here, rest your feet, and you're looking down and over the bow. More area up top, which is easy to get to. More lighting switches up there. You have some more storage on the port side. And then you have a flat panel here to put a VHF there on the starboard side. Okay, so coming back, we just take a peek over here. This boat comes equipped with freshwater washdown. You hook your hose into here. And then when you're at dock, you can simply charge your boat right here with a simple outdoor extension cord. So back here we have a nice fishing tackle station. So you have your 4 rod holders, 2 cup holders, and your live well. Then you have some area to work. If you're rigging baits, cutting bait, whatever the case may be. You have a nice slot here for a knife, and then you have another section here for your pliers. Now this bench will come out and down. So you have seating back here. You have in-gunnel rod storage. And as well as you have 5 rod holders out of the stern of this boat. Okay? Then we have our live well. And there's your freshwater hose inside. Everything's all the cleats on the boat are recessed. And then if you look at the finish work Scout does, we have teak platforms on both sides of the engine. So to really appreciate this boat, you should come in, set an appointment, give us a call at 609-926-0600. My name is Michael Mara. Look forward to seeing you on the water. Have a great day.